Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to finals week. Hooray! You've made it. You're almost done. For my brave few who persevered through this class, way to be awesome, guys. I know this is a work-heavy class. It's a 400 level class. It has some pretty high expectations attached to it. And so I applaud your grit and your determination, your perseverance to make it through, because there's a lot you had to get done in a very short amount of time. So congratulations on being super awesome, guys. Like, really excellent work. This week, we're turning the last of our stuff in. I've got a little bit of extra credit available for you. And then you're turning in your MIR report, and then you're done. I'm going to have all your grades caught up and up to date on the 26th because I have to submit final grades to the administration on the 29th. So I'm going to have everything caught up on Friday. That way, if you have any questions about your scores, we've got some time to work through that before I have to send them to the administration to get uploaded to transcripts. So check your grades on the 26th. Let me know if you have any questions, and we can get that all sorted before those grades head up the ladder where I can't make any more changes. So the MIR report, of course, the very, very big thing of the quarter that we've been working the entire quarter to build, is due on Wednesday at midnight, so make sure you've got that submitted. And then extra credit, just a couple final bonus points if we're feeling a little bit unsure of our grade. It's nice to have a little boost at the end. So this is syntactic ambiguity, which sounds very fancy. What it's really saying is that it's easy to misunderstand things if they're not written terribly clearly. So syntactic ambiguity is a type of uncertainty, clearly I need more coffee, uncertainty in which the order of words in a sentence or phrase has more than one valid interpretation. So children make nutritious snacks. There are two ways we could read that sentence. Children, when cooked well, make nutritious snacks, which is the premise of a piece of literature written by Jonathan Swift called A Modest Proposal. It's actually a piece of satire where the very Irish Jonathan Swift is making fun of the English because the English are being very predatory in their practices. They've come in, they run all over Ireland, they've killed a bunch of people, and now they're telling the Irish what they have to do. And if you know anything about Irish history, the Irish do not like being told what to do. And so Jonathan Swift wrote a satire saying, hey, if you're going to treat us like animals and boss us around and make us do everything for you, work us like you work farm animals, you might as well go all the way and treat us like you treat farm animals and take our children and eat them too. You know, like sarcasm, big satire, making fun of the English. He's not actually saying cannibalism is good. And number two, children know how to prepare nutritious snacks. Two ways we could interpret that sentence. Because we can interpret it two ways, it falls under that category of syntactic ambiguity. So, your extra credit challenge is to interpret this sentence for me. 5 points for each correct interpretation and explanation. So you can get a couple extra points here. John loves his wife, and so do I. A couple ways we can understand that sentence. Tell me about them, and I'll get you some extra credit points. Hooray! And that's pretty much where we're at, guys. We have accomplished an incredible amount of work this quarter. Truly an incredible amount of work. Research, writing, investigating, critical thinking. You guys have done it all. You've done a fabulous job. So I commend you on your efforts. Please reach out with any questions as our finals week wraps up. I wish you guys all the best and have a great week.